Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to disable control center on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to disable control center on your iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, you have open the setting, then you have scroll up, then you have click on touch id and passcode, then you have click here. So you have enter a passcode, so your iPhone. So then you have seen your on iPhone, so then you have scroll up, then you have see the on iPhone on your screen control center, then he is unable from here. So then you have you have turn off, then you have must be turn on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.